Yep, today Johnny's making his Lakeside smoked baked chicken with red potatoes and cabbage. You heard right. Check out these seasonings he uses. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Y'all see, you know it's gonna be delicious, right? I tell you, there's nothing like cooking and eating around the lake. It is so tranquil. Y'all see that slow flame? Red potatoes are looking really good. That's right, meat falling right off the bone. Love cabbage. Johnny is extremely proud of his cooking, so if you enjoyed this, I want you to like, share, subscribe. Come on back and see what else he's cooking up next time. Till then.